What is up, guys? This is Rob here at Cash for Cars. I got a special car for you today for all my Mopar fans. I got a 72 Plymouth Duster Twister 340 4-speed Prostreet. This car is awesome. It's one of the fastest cars I've had in a while. Bought this from a guy out in Virginia. This thing does under 10 seconds in the quarter. Engine's been done up, transmission's been done up, front suspension's been done up, new tires. It's got dual 4-barrel carb, Holley's on it. I got a whole list to go through with you guys. I'm not going to bore you with it. If you look in the description, you'll see all the work that's been done to it. The guy invested close to 30K into it is what he told us. He only sold it because he's too old to drive manual. He's got knee problems. I'm getting a lot of cars like that. Overall, it's in good shape. Besides these seats, the seats are cut up. They do need, upholstery needs to be replaced in it. The headliner's in decent shape. Front dash is nice. Carpet's in decent shape. That's the only flaw of the inside. The outside's in great condition. We got a couple little spots I'll show you. Little chip there. I'm gonna show you guys every single thing so you know what you're getting. We ship internationally around the US. We're getting a lot of people out of state. We make this process very simple. If you like the car, you give us a call. We will do a FaceTime with you, or Duo if you have Android. We'll take you on a test drive through FaceTime if you're not local. If you like the car and you decide to buy it, we'll DocuSign over a contract to you. You sign it and we complete a deal. It gets shipped out to you usually within 24 to 48 hours after payment is received. This is a special car here. It sounds amazing. It drives great. There's no rot on it, no rust on it. I don't come across a lot of these often, and when I do, they're gone fast. Give us a call if you're interested. 215-801-9493. Ask for Rob. I'll be able to help you out, no problem. Motor's in beautiful condition. It's all been upgraded. Got upgraded suspension. Got a lot of performance parts on it. The owner put a lot of money into this car to get it up and go. Handles great. All been redone. Like new brakes, new disc. Suspension's new. Brake lines, fuel lines are all new. There's not a spot of rust on it.